the green. Just enchanting. Hi everyone. So it's been such a long time, but here I am having a cozy October day and glad to see you with me. I am at the park and this is the closest thing I have to nature and woodland. There's a natural river runs through it. It's in the outskirts of town and this is just my favorite place to be. It just rejuvenates me and just helps me just get back into alignment, and even if it's just for the moment. But I'm sitting here under this lovely elderberry tree having me made some green and elderberry tea earlier this morning, so it's waiting for me when I get home. I'm planning on just having a cozy October day with some crafts, more tea, and my cute kittens at home. Well, cats really, they're already adult. But they're my cute little kitties. They're always my cute kitties. And let's just make this an enchanting time. Listen to the river, the sound of the river as the water rushes through. Let's go. Well, wouldn't you know, I spotted this really bright green from across the way, and it's actually a tree stump that had been chopped down. But look at this. Life finds a way. Look at these beautiful leaves. Oh, have I got a treat for you. So there's this tree and I just have to come see it every time I come, and I come here regularly. I don't know if what I'm expecting to change or what, but it's just a treasure. Let me show you. So this beautiful, gorgeous tree is my friend. Well, they all are really, but look at this. They're not active right now, but in the spring and summer, oh my goodness, there are just a ton of bees just coming out of here, and you can kind of see the green around the opening, and I don't dare come this close in the spring and summer. Hello. Actually close to it. I've never been this close before. But I bet there's like honey in there, right? I mean, look how green it is. Winnie the Pooh would love this. took off my shoes because witches need grounding. I'm going to attempt to stick my toes and see how cold it is. You know what? Oh my gosh, it's cold, but it feels so good. So good. Oh, it's so exhilarating. I wish you could I wish you could feel this water. It's incredible. It's just enchanting. I'm serious. Like, the water's cold, but it just doesn't feel cold. It just feels crisp and energized. Oh, I freaking love it. Let's take a little stroll, shall we? Ooh, I don't want to get my pants wet. Ah. Oh, got them a little wet, but it's okay. Lovely shaded area underneath all these berries. Okay, let's head back. Oh, there's that one tree I filmed from earlier. She's massive. Look at, she is just massive and the bushiest thing. She's turning yellow already. Yeah, she's gorgeous. Is that what I think it is? Are you joking right now? It's a mushroom. I mean, and it hasn't even been cold or rainy. Look at this little guy. Just popping out its head to say hello. Hello, I'm here. It's my time. Yay. He just spotted me. The only reason I was able to get this close was because she was very busy. And I guess I must have been quiet. There is all kinds of wildlife here. Squirrels, ducks, geese, raccoons, beavers, feral cats. I mean, oh, we even have peacocks, heron. I'll see if I can catch some on my way out. Good morning, lovely souls. It is a crisp, cool, cloudy autumn morning, and I think I'll be making some arroz con leche. Let's go. so, so good. I wish you could taste it. Just October, no, autumn, October. And this is the finished product. We had such fun. It was a nice time with my two favorite fellows in the whole entire mundo. And now we'll always have this every year. We can bring it out. Okay, so I have had the best couple of autumnal days, and now it's time for some divination to end our visit. I had to get me some warm tea. It is a cool autumnal morning, and I'm just absolutely enjoying it. I am loving it. What message do you have? Ah, well, there it is. There it is. Let's see what it is. Listen. Okay, let's see. Oh, here it is. Earthly meaning. You can talk to yourself in circles but remain unheard. At other times you can be heard without uttering a word. The onus of understanding is on the listener. Love, care, and consideration are expressed by an attentive ear and a welcoming heart. Sound is wasted on those that won't hear. Save your voice. You will learn more by listening. The truth needs to be heard. Wow, that is very, very nice. As the year is coming to a close, the seasons are turning, getting closer to winter, and really we want to slow down and just listen to everything around us. Be still. Take time to listen to loved ones around you. Now this has an earthly meaning, and it also has a spiritual meaning, so I'm going to read that next, okay? Sound existed long before the ability to perceive it. It was always there, invisible, undetected, or merely felt as low, deep waves of vibration. The universe loves you. Its message is humming, pulsing, and vibrating through all of creation. Love's undulation floats in empty space, waiting to be received. Extend your senses, awaken to the message of the universe. There you go. Thank you so much, lovely souls, for joining me on this wonderful autumnal time. But until next time, enjoy your week. Enjoy yourself. Con cariño, always.